Always Fahad's problem. All right, the trade of the day today brought to you by Day Trade the World. Join us every single day live on TraderTV.Live, and make sure you click that QR code below to join the biggest and best prop trading firm in the universe, Day Trade the World. Okay, look, mine's going to be very, very simple here. It's going to be Amazon. I worked through this on the morning show, and we're in the position right now as well. I really like this at the short side. Look, Amazon's really been failing. I only have up to the minute chart on here, but on the last couple of days, this name was over $100 just 3 weeks ago. Look where we're trading today. 88 and change. So, I mean, this stock is down 10, 15, 20% over the last month. It continues to get hit every single day. And my whole theory about always shorting this is like, were Black Friday holiday sales really that good? From what I'm reading, not that great. Plus, remember, you still have rising interest rates. We have on the 14th, Fed coming out, raising interest rates again. That's not great for the consumer, right? So we do have a few issues coming through on Amazon. So with that being said, we wrote down on the sticky note that what we really liked was an 89 short. The problem is here, and again, off the open, you're gonna see right here on the NASDAQ, we are down 0.64, but that's basically flat. It's been kind of doing just the back and forth moves all day. So unfortunately, in the morning, Amazon did not start off well, but here at Trader TV Live, we're gonna talk about our wins and about our losses. So here we go. Upside, our first short, basically 88.80. We were waiting for that move to happen up to 89 because in the pre-market, we're trading down here, 87.50, right? So I'm thinking, hey, 89, not only is 89 a level that I like on the daily chart, but it's also the pre-market high. I mean, the pre-market high is 88.50. So are we even gonna, I mean, it goes back into here. This is yesterday's close, sorry, 88.50. Pre-market high right here, 88.50 as well. So I'm like, hey, if we get a move up to 89, let's short it. So that's what we wind up doing. Short there, short again. Then as it blows to the upside, we wind up getting out. Not that tick right there. We got a part of it, but the whole piece out at 88.20. So we actually start our day on Amazon red. Negative trade for me on Amazon because as the market lifted, so does Amazon. But guess what? Look where we stop, $90. You guys know I love trading those even dollars, whether or not it be 85, 90, 95, 100. So we're waiting. I'm like, you know what? If you're gonna break higher on me right now, then do it. But waiting for 90, we take an 89.80 short, and then big time crashing to the downside. So we wind up making back everything here, obviously, because look at when we're wrong. And this is the thing, and I actually just had a lunch with Jeff Mendel, shout out to Jeff Mendel, and we were talking about risk management, right? And that's one of the #1 things that we do on the show. Look at the loss here. That's an 89 short, out 89.20. Right? That's 30 cents. That's a begin at 88.80. We get a little piece out, but we get back in and then out. It's a disaster to start the day. But look on the way back in. That's an 89.80 short. Our first out is 60s. That's already 20 cents. Then it falls. Then that's 40 cents. Then we're talking about dollar winners. Now we're talking about $1.50, let alone what happens next. So what I'm trying to discuss here with the trade of the day is stay biased the position that you like. So I was already thinking short Amazon. The problem was in that first minute or two, the whole market lifted up. We stuck with it. We were very, very patient. Notice when we get out at 89.20, I don't revenge trade this. I don't go, oh man, this has to be wrong. We need to get short again, short again. No, we wait until we see a top there and then we hit the short back down. The rest is history. Then all of a sudden we make another great trade. We're actually short Amazon right now and starting to cover some at VWAP. We should have covered more down there. But the same thing happens again right here. We go short 89. Why do we short 89? Because we like it. We like that level. We just got blown out there. So the short 89 starts to print again to the downside. What happens? Rip up. Look at that top wick right there. We wind up getting out. So we take about a 10 or 15 cent hit on our next short of 89. But then we realize that top wick, look at the volume, not much volume, comes right back down. So what do? I short that. Look at these outs. That's why we put this line here. That's 88.90 where we start our short. Look where we get out, 89.10. Okay, that's a 20 cent hit. But when we get back in, look what starts to happen to the downside. This is a short 89. Our first take, that's that 20 cents. That's 40 cents. Then you're down there near $1, and we finally take another piece out right now for 70 cents. So the point of this trade is two things. One, pick your stock. We know we wanted Amazon long. The second part of it is we know we wanted Amazon short, or sorry, We know we wanted Amazon, but the second part was the direction, and we wanted it short, not long. So we wait for that to happen. We hit it back now, and now we are still short Amazon. So again, it's your trade of the day. Pick the stock, pick the direction. Sometimes will this happen to you and you'll get blown out? Yes. But more often than not, if you're looking at daily charts, you've studied and your thesis is correct, the short or whatever way you were thinking will come in. Just watch out for those big market moves off open. It's your trade of the day, and it's Amazon. Back to the big guy.